Hello, my name is Anne and welcome to a Tobyknits Vlogtober day 28. I cannot believe it's already day 28. What? Like this whole month has gone like that, you know? It's crazy. This is gonna be a short one today because I didn't do an awful lot except talk. And guess who I talked with? I met Crystal today. Crystal and I have been online buddies for, well, I'm going to call you a buddy, Crystal, so as you know, just so as you know, for, I feel like it's been over a year, 2 years maybe. She always comments on my YouTube videos. She puts lovely posts up about what she's working on, what she's knitting, in the Tobyknits and Friends Facebook page. If you're not in that, go join it. I haven't been very active in this last month because I've been so busy doing these podcasts, but I'm hoping to get more active and you know, start posting more stuff for us all to see and to chat about and get a conversation going once I get home. So that's that plan. But yeah, so I met her today at Tim Hortons, just down the road here, and we were going to go to the Violet Unicorn, but it's closed today. So that probably saved me some money. And anyway, we just sat, and I took with me my Musselburgh hat, and I started working on that while I was there. So as you know, I was here 2 nights ago, maybe 3 nights ago, and this is the 10-inch mark. From here to here is 10 inches, and I have to do 19.5. I don't think I'm gonna do 19.5 for Bob's head. He's got a little head, so I think I might just go 18 and then start the decreases. That's what I did with Andrew, Sean's, and I think Caroline's. Oh no, I think hers I did 17. But this is the medium size, but I feel like that'll be enough for Bob. I mean, when you think about it, if you were to turn that over, because he likes a snug hat, like he likes a beanie as opposed to, you know, even that's too big. I feel like it would be like this, right, for Bob? I think that would fit his head. Well, then if you turn this around and look, there's like only 2 or so inches left to go before you do the decrease. So anyway, I don't know. I think right now I'm at 14 inches. So 16, 17, I don't know, I'll have to see. But it's looking nice, and it's super easy to just knit on, and I still have them. She has not taken them yet. I think she forgot about them. So, and I was very surprised to find the tape measure still in my bag. So Leo obviously didn't take that either. So I worked on that today while we chit-chatted. And I think we talked for about 2.5 hours. And with just 1 cup of tea. I didn't even have a donut or anything. Just 1 cup of tea. And then we left there and we went over to a little shop across the street called, what was it called? 2 Old Crows? No. 2 Crafty Crows? I think that was what it was. 2 Crafty Crows. Yeah. I'll leave a link below. And we met a lovely lady in there. Now, for the life of me, I can't remember her name. She did tell us, and I've totally forgot because, you know, it's me. And I can't retain anything, especially someone's name. So we went in there anyway and had a look around. And then we talked to her for half an hour. So yay! To all my new friends. Whoa! It was a lot of fun. We had a good time. And yeah. So yeah, I was very happy with that. And then I walked home. And what did I do then when I got back? Oh, I sat and read for a bit. Yes. And then I started stitching. So I have not worked anymore on the bird sampler, but I have got a good bit done on Peking Puppies. The last 2 nights I've worked on that, or 2 days, and I've come right far down now with this. So it's almost to halfway between there and there. So, and that's all half cross stitch. I've got it in the hoop because I'm going to be, I didn't want to cover up her nose. Oh, she needs to breathe. So I've been doing this. Tonight I'm going to be doing this once the kids have gone to bed. So I'm going to carry on working on this. Oh, this poor darling here needs to get her rest of her done. It's really hard to see the white. This is all stitched, but it's white. So really I'm just doing the bottom part, which is the background of the door. And then, as I say, I've got it. So I have to finish this for Christmas. I really need to work on this a lot more. So I think that's going to be the November focus. I think Christmas gift stitching or knitting is going to be November's focus. So yes, and oh, I'm super excited. Bob texted me today and said I got a parcel, and it's my Bothy Threads advent. Ooh. I'm so excited. So I was really worried about that. I got an email from Bothy Threads last week to say, or the week before, to say they were getting ready to mail out the advents, but with Canada Post being on strike, they didn't know when we would get it, and did we want to try couriering it instead. I decided not to courier and just take my chances, because I knew at that point they were on rotating strikes. So I knew they'd gone back to work, but then just certain areas, and I feel like it's of the country, not of postal stations, were on a rotating strike. So in essence, it could mean that stuff takes a bit longer to get to you if this week, say, Ottawa's having their strike, but it doesn't mean it's not coming, right? So I was very excited that it came, because literally it only shipped last week, so it's very quick. So I was very happy with that, because I got to start planning my my Advent stuff. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna go. That's all I've got for you today. Tomorrow's a quiet day, I think, at home, and in the afternoon I'm gonna go visit Judy, and I think that's all we have planned tomorrow. Oh no, I did it. There's a craft show on Saturday morning. Well, it's actually Saturday, Sunday, but I go home Saturday, but I go home in the late afternoon. So maybe in the morning, I think we're going to see if we can go to the craft show at Cole Harbour Place. So that'll be fun. Anyway, I'm going to go, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.